everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some roasted beets. Later on we're going to be doing a salad with arugula, goat cheese, roasted beets, and candied pecans. So this is the roasted beet part of that salad. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Let's jump right in. It's very, very simple. 2 ingredients. Over here I have 3 beets. I've washed my beets. But I haven't cut them at all. They're still intact. I'm going to add maybe a teaspoon of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use regular vegetable oil. It's not going to make too much of a difference. I'm going to just toss it in oil. Once it's coated in oil, if you want to add seasoning, you can, but it's not going to impact the flavor that much. And I'm just going to wrap them all in aluminum foil. And I'm going to put them in a 375 degree oven. I'm not even going to guess how long it's going to take. I will show you how to tell when you're done. And I will see you in a bit. Bye-bye. Hi everyone. So our beets have been in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. We're going to take them out and check. Just going to undo the tin foil. Take a sharp knife and insert it. And see how it goes through very, very easy. Like if you look, it goes through without a lot of pressure. That means it's fully cooked. So this is done now. We're gonna take it out of the oven. We'll leave it out for a good half an hour, 45 minutes to cool down. And then I'll see you in 45 minutes and we'll work with it. See you soon. Hi everyone. So our beets came out of the oven. They sat outside for about 45 minutes to cool. And then I stuck them in the refrigerator for about 2 hours so they totally cooled down. They are gonna be going into salad. If you're going to be eating them hot, you don't have to cool them down. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut the ends off. And then they should peel very, very, very simple. Very simply. Skin comes off very easy. Sometimes the skin just peels right off. I generally use a knife though. Now I have a peeled beet, and we're going to cut this in bite-sized pieces. Cut it in half first. I'm just going to go maybe like you have beautifully roasted beets ready to eat. Perfect. So today I'm going to be making an arugula salad with beets, candied pecans, balsamic, and goat cheese. In previous videos I have shown you how to make balsamic and candied pecans and roasted beets. So once we put it all together, we have a beautiful salad. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. This is some goat cheese over here. I have a bowl full of candied pecans. I have 3 beets that I've roasted off. I have some balsamic vinaigrette and some goat cheese. The goat cheese I'm just going to cut in half. Goat cheese breaks apart very easy. Actually, maybe I'm going to cut in quarters. I'm going to add the goat cheese at the very, very end, because what will happen is the goat cheese will kind of almost, I don't want to say dissolve, but it breaks apart very easy. So I'm just going to cut this up. Over here I have arugula. Arugula comes pre-washed. I have my beets, so I'm going to add my beets to it. I'm going to add some balsamic. Maybe 2 tablespoons, 2 large tablespoons. This is enough for 4 people, so I'm going to toss this up very, very, very well. Once this is tossed through and through, get in my pecans. And then the goat cheese I'm just actually going to put on top of it. Gonna put it on a plate. You can see what it looks like. A little bit much, but it should be all right. I'm going to take some goat cheese around. And you have a beautiful salad. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Be well.